好，那我们在这边来看一下什么是 C4D。那 C4D 呢，它其实是由这家德国公司Maxon 所开发的 3D 绘图软体。然后它的那个渲染算图的能力还蛮强的，所以很多像工业设计师啊，他们就是在Pro 1或是 Alias 里面建完模以后，他们可能会采用 C4D 的渲染的功能。然后来做比较漂亮的彩线，比较自然这样。那所以呢，也很多广告电影啊，片头片尾，尤其像那个变形金刚它的文字就有用到那个 C4D 来做一个呈现的效果。那所以大家其实如果学了 C4D 以后，也可以走向这些电影啊、公视动画特效等等这些行业，或是你自己做个人工作室接 case 也可以。好，那其实呢，像这些电影呢，也都有采用 C4D 来做一些制作的部分。那尤其像最后这个打猎季节，它更是全部都用 C4D 来制作完成的 3D 动画哦。好，那大家看到右边有个影片，那这个是由 Maxon 公司它把一些比较用 C4D 做出来比较好的作品做一个集结的 reel。好，在这边我们来看一下有哪些，来看一下 C4D 多强大。
Cinema 4D is your gateway to another world and another dimension. Cinema 4D is the #1 tool if you're looking for powerful, reliable software to bring your creativity and ideas to life. Whatever you can imagine can be created in Cinema 4D. No matter how complex your idea, you can depend on Cinema 4D from the very first polygon to the final scene, rendering,
然后 C4D 最特殊的就是它可以这些特效看起来很繁杂，可是其实在 C4D 里面可以花比较短的时间去完成。可以做这些房屋啊等等的展现。它可以做很多的模拟、合成、动力学，甚至是建模啊，甚至还有动画的部分。
You can create scenes, easily add textures and materials, add the ideal lighting, cameras, and the fast enhanced OpenGL viewport displays everything you need in real time.
真实，好像真的玉。
In the end, literally everything can be animated to meet or exceed any demands a director may have, from simple objects to the smallest parameter deep within a hierarchy. With the physical renderer,
所以你可以做出拟真的，也可以做出很魔幻，也可以做工业设计的部分。所以其实几乎设计也是算少不了 C4D。可以渲染成2D 的。
At Maxon, we have made it our primary goal to give artists the greatest amount of creative freedom, with software that provides the ability to work at the highest professional standards,
这些效果其实它是透过叠很多图层才可以达到的效果，它不是只有单 C4D 可以完成的。
easy-to-use 3D software a name. Cinema 4D.
好。
In addition to the standard features, you probably already know, we have integrated powerful tools into Cinema 4D that leave nothing to be desired. Whether you need dynamics behavior,
我们可以透过撰写一些程式去控制一些特效它运动的方式，一些动力学啊、毛发的部分，让它更增加拟真的程度。
Everything is at your fingertips and is being used by artists around the globe in a wide variety of industries, including film, visual effects, broadcast, design, illustration, product and architectural visualization, engineering, science and medicine, and more. Our clients count on the reliability and professionalism of Cinema 4D, whether creating a sophisticated motion graphic scene, modeling, rigging, and animating characters, or rendering high-end stereoscopic imagery.
你可以生成那个要戴眼镜的那种 3D 立体的。
From the first encounter to the very last rendered frame for the worlds that you create. And if you need to go even further, you can use the node-based solution solver Espresso, or write your own plugins, Python scripts. You'll also be amazed by the integration of file formats and the connectivity to other software.
那其实如果你要再更进阶的话，也其实它是需要写一些程式的。
developers to make sure that the only thing you have to worry about is being as creative as you can be. Maxon has given easy-to-use 3D software a name: Cinema 4D.
好。